And I'm over here by the chickshaw. There's my turkey. That's my hen. She loves me. And there's our 4 young ducks. They're not babies anymore, but they're quite young, and they were hatched under a chicken, and they haven't quite joined the flock yet. I'm not sure what we're going to do about that. Hey, how are you? What's up? What's up with you? This is a good turkey right here. Yeah, she is. She's a good turkey. That's JD right behind her. Yeah, he's probably a little bit like, leave my girl alone. But she does seem like me at least. I don't know. She probably acts like this to Brenda. If Brenda would act like this to her. And let's see. Well, the pigs are out on pasture. Let's go look at that real quick. It's a beautiful afternoon. There's the mama pig. And there's some little piggies. And there's the chip off the old block of mama. With white feet, although her feet are dirty. Hey you, what's up? What's up? What's up, mama pig? How's my pig? That's Crispy. And then, let's see. There's another dirty pig. They've been playing in the mud today. They've all learned how to enjoy the mud walla. Now let's see, there's a couple more over there chowing down. Anyway, that's the latest update. Kevin's over in his pen eating a little diddles. I distract him from what's going on a little bit, so he'll be a good pig. And then the ducks are over here having a fine old time now that I've just refilled their pool with clean water. They're having a nice little pool party. Need to go turn this water off. So we'll try to do that and see how they act. They usually run. Hey, you guys. Hey, yeah, I know. Oh, I know. You can get right back in. I'm just gonna turn off the water. They love that water. Alright, come on. Y'all get back in. You can get back in the pool. Waste no time. Turkey's about to go to roost. She brings her baby chick up with her. She hatched a chicken. And they love following me around a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna have to come over here and fill up this sheer water container. That'll take a little bit. There's Kevin. Kevin, be nice. There you go. He wants out there. He wants to roam. I'll let him out in a minute. Kev, just chill, buddy. Just chill. Alright, well, there's the afternoon update. Hope y'all have a blessed evening. We'll catch up with you later.